to my channel. I have an exciting dish to prepare today with you guys. I will be sharing a very delish dish again. Okay, this dish is called the fettuccine with shrimp and crab meat Alfredo sauce. Okay, this is a la MJ fettuccine. Okay, I didn't copy from any book or any recipe from online, or this is my creation. So, hope you like it. And these are the ingredients. Okay, I have here the white onion, and then the Vietnamese shrimps, very big shrimps. And then I have here my fresh milk, chicken powder, my green peas, my crab meat. I have here the crab meat, and then the cornstarch for the cream later, and then the parsley. I have dried parsley, and of course the fettuccine barilla. Okay, mag-process na ako. I will go and process all these ingredients, like peeling the shrimps, slicing the white onions, or crush this parsley because it is crunchy and crispy already because it's dried. And then like that, and slice this, the crab meat, and then we will be cooking. What are lacking here are only the EVOO, the extra virgin olive oil, and the salt and pepper. Okay, let's go. Okay, di pala kayo naka-video. Chubby, ginagawa nyo dyan, ha? Ginagawa nyo dyan, ha? Balak nyo. Separate. Tanggalin ito. Lagay dyan. Then, like that. Peel off. Peel off. Look at them. These two creatures here. Oh, they smell the shrimp and they like to eat the shrimp. You like to eat the shrimp, huh? Okay, like that. And then leave the last part of the tail, and then slice a bit here, and then remove that dirt here, that black thread like here. Okay, remove that. We don't want to eat that. Okay, and so on and so forth. Done. The onions, the shrimps and onions are done, and then the other things like the parsley, we'll just slice it thinly. Okay guys, here are the final ingredients I have here prepared. Okay, white onions, parsley, cornstarch, the 1 cup of green peas, 300 grams of shrimps, baname shrimps, crab meat, butter, chicken powder, Barilla fettuccine, the salt, olive oil, black pepper, salt, and fresh milk. Yan. Yan ang mga ingredients ko today, guys. Okay? Let's start the cooking. Guys. Nag-prepare na ako. I prepared already this pot with the water. And then, abundant water for my pasta. That is about 1 pound of pasta. And then, I mix the 1 tablespoon of salt. Then, cover. Then, wait to boil for my fettuccine pasta. Okay, here we are. Let's be cooking, guys. Yes. Umpisahan na natin. Let's start now. Okay, for the Filipino viewers there, I wanna talk in, I wanna speak in English because it is requested by some viewers because we wanna let everybody to understand what we are doing. Diba, guys? 2 to 3 tablespoons. And add some butter. I use this, my favorite butter, guys, the Anchor. Maybe yeah, abundant of butter because we want to make it creamy. Butter makes the sauce creamy, that's why we want to put some more of butter. Yan. And then let's melt it first. And then place the white onions here. I'm cooking here while I am waiting the water to boil for this fettuccine pasta we're cooking. Okay, here. Okay, then let us put the crab meat. Then the shrimps. Big shrimps. Smells so good. Wow, wow, wow. And the colors, you see the colors. I will put already my green peas. Sorry, guys. Please, very noisy. When cooking this, we will add now this one. The chicken powder to give a taste of this. Creamy later to give body to the cream. And then milk. A little bit more. Wow. Nice color. Wow. Very easy and very fast to, very quick to cook. Wow. And then the parsley. Now, let us add the black pepper. And put the fire into low. Low fire. Okay. Oh, so it's creamy now. Wow. Nice. Let us taste. Let us see the saltiness if it's already enough. Oh, so creamy, look. Wow. Wow. Nice. Wow. Colorful and creamy. So creamy, nice. A little bit of salt, maybe 1/2 teaspoon. Yan. Let us see, it's already boiling. Let us place the fettuccine. Wow. Boiling, boiling, boiling. Wow. Oh, yummy. Yummy fettuccine. Okay, and then we will just wait till it will be cooked, and then we'll mix to the sauce, the Alfredo sauce, the crab meat with shrimp Alfredo sauce. Before I forget, guys, I have to add also the Parmesan cheese. I forgot to say that, okay? Parmesan cheese, sprinkle here. Abundant. Okay. Wow. So cheesy. Wow. The aroma. Wow. So yummy, yummy. Oh my God. Yummier with that Parmesan cheese. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. I'm just waiting for the pasta. Mix here, and then we'll eat. Okay, guys. We will see to it that this will not exceed to the cooking time, 13 minutes time, because if not, it will become musho. So you can see from here the pasta, no more white grain or something inside that pasta. So it's already done. It's already done, guys. Just 1 minute, and we will mix to that sauce. Yummy. boiling, boiling, boiling. And then here it is already prepared. Ayan. So yummy guys. Look at that. Close up. So yummy. Okay, switch off the fire. Okay, no more fire. Okay guys, let us now mix to the sauce. Yay! So excited! Yay! Yummy! Nanti na pa. Ayan guys, so see that? You see that? Wow, wow, wow. It's really a delicious. Oh my God, yummy. Yummy fettuccine con granchio e gamberi Alfredo. Here you are. Let us eat guys. Buon appetito. Hope you like this dish. Please try this guys. Okay? This is very simple, yummy, healthy, and for me, this is a comfort food. Yeah, really. Wow, so excited to give those 3 boys a big lunch again. Oh my God. So colorful, so delish. So delish. Wow, you see that? All those colors all together like that. Oh, those pink prawns, those pink crab meat, and the green peas. Wow. Okay, so hope you like this. Hope you will try this. And nothing. Buon appetito. Happy cooking. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please click the bell button for more. Okay? So you will be updated with my videos. Thank you so much. I love you, all of you guys.